So,
nothing.
第一个短语是 What's up， 这是一个非常流行的问候语，相当于 Hi 或者 Hello。其实欧美人最常用的即时通讯软件 What's up 也是取自这个音。这个短语非常简单，关键是如何回答它。别人问你，你怎么回答？千万别回答 Fine, Thank you, and you。这个短语其实它的含义是问你最近有什么新鲜的事情。如果没有，你可以直接回答 Nothing。
What's up?
Me? Nothing.
Hey, Kelly. What's up?
Nothing.
或者说 Not much， 就像下面的例子。
Hey man, what's up? Not much. You guys want to see a movie tonight?
hey you. What's up?
Not much.
当然，如果有什么新鲜事情要告诉对方的话，就可以直接说出来，就像下面大家看到的例子。
What's up?
Monica and I are engaged.
God.
Hey, buddy, what's up?
Well, I was feeling bad about how I acted the other night, so made you a little something. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up?
Nothing. Monica and I had a stupid fight.
Hey,
What's up?
nothing much. Just trying to figure out what I'm gonna do for dinner.
What's up?
I just saw Danny getting on the subway with a girl.
Good. You guys are all here.
Hey, what's up?
Well, I have a job interview at Ralph Lauren tomorrow.
Hey, man, what's up?
Oh, just thinking about Emily getting married tomorrow.
Hey, what's up, Mom? Well, I'm trying to make something for Joey. Do you mind if I raid your fridge?
Hi, Sheldon. What's up?
Good news. You're an asteroid.
Please tell me what to say next.
Hey, what's up? I'm here to put the crib together.
Oh, sorry. Already did it.
陌生人或者是不熟悉的人或者同事，尤其是对你的上司，其实更倾向于不倾诉你自己最近的事情，而直接说 nothing 或者 not much。
Hey, what's up?
Hey.
Hey, Rachel.
Oh, hi. Hi, Melissa. What's up? I'm just about to go out to the store.
Hey, boss. What's up?
It's just in the neighborhood. Anything going on?
Bree, this is Donna. Donna, this is Bree. What's up?
Hi.
第二个短语是 How's it going？
Joe, how's it going?
Good.
其实就相当于问你 How things are。最常见的一个回答就是一个词 Good。
Michael, how's it going, bro?
Good, bro.
Hey, thanks so much for having my back out there.
Always have your back.
Susan, how's it going? Good. It's nice to be back. Hey, Mike.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. Just came by to say hello.
Hello.
Someone to see you.
Well, hey, how's it going?
Good.
So, you and Mona. It's been a while now. How's it going?
It's good. It's going good.
Hey, Phoebe.
Hey, how's it going? Good.
How's it going?
So far, so good.
Hey, Monica, how's it going?
Oh, it's good. It's good. Hey.
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Hey, Marshall.
Oh, hey, how's it going?
It's good.
Hey, Leonard.
Oh, hi.
How's it going?
Good. You?
Fine.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, how's it going?
Hi. Good.
Hey, Martin. How's it going?
Good.
当然，如果你感觉非常好，状态很好，也可以回答 really good 或者是 great。
Hey. Hi. How's it going? Great.
Hi, Rachel. I'm Dr. Schiff.
Yes, you are.
So, how's it going?
Oh, it's really, really good.
Hey, Phil.
Hey,
How's it going?
great.
Hey, how's it going?
Really good.
Hey, buddy, how's it going? Hey, pretty good. Pretty good. Ooh.
Oh, hey, Leonard. So, how's it going?
Pretty good.
Stanley Hudson.
Julius, how's it going?
Great.
当然，你也可以回答大家非常熟悉的一个词 fine。
Hey, how's it going?
Oh, fine. Paige's asleep.
Hey, how's it going?
Fine.
Good. Love you.
Love you too.
Love you more.
当然，如果你状态不太好，也可以回答 not good， 甚至是 terrible。
How's it going?
Oh, not so good.
How's it going?
Oh, not good.
Hi.
Hey, Maude, how's it going?
Terrible.
Mr. D, how's it going, sir?
It's been better.
Hey! Want to see how it's going? Oh, it's going okay. Oh, good. Here.
How's it going, Sheldon?
Actually, much better.
Eve, how's it going?
I'm doing okay. I think it's going well. Do you think they're having fun? Am I talking too fast?
Nope, sound like me.
How's it going?
It's going well.
Good.
下面一个短语是 What's new？ 其实这个短语是 What's new with you 的缩略形式。大家可以看一下下面这个搞笑的例子，他妈妈是如何让他说出完整短语的。
So, Mother, what's new?
You'll have to be more specific.
All right, what's new with you?
Oh, well, I've been having some fascinating menopausal symptoms recently.
其实这个短语很像 What's up， 也是问你有什么新鲜事。当然，你也可以回答 nothing， 也可以是 not much。
So, Coach, what's new?
Nothing.
Be right out.
So what's new?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
So, Penny, what's new in your life?
Nothing, not a damn thing.
如果你有想要分享的事情，你也可以把它完整的说出来。
What's new?
I got married last year.
So what's new? Still,
A lesbian?
Well,
Tell me what's new. How are you?
I need a kidney transplant.
Hello, ladies. What's new?
Lynette's doing Carlos. Here.
Hey! Welcome back.
I missed you.
Oh, me too.
So what's new?
Well, I'm no longer Phoebe Buffet.
That's great. You changed your name?
Yes, I did.
Okay, so what's new with you guys?
I have a girlfriend now.
Hey, good for you.
Yeah.
What's new with you?
I just told you.
当你回答完成之后，作为问候，你也可以问对方相同的短语 What's new with you？
So? What's new?
Nothing. What's new with you?
Not much.
下一个问候语根本不用解释，因为大家平时用中文也是每天都在说。这个词对英文来说是咱中文的外来词 long time no see， 对，就是好久不见。尽管语法不对，但说的也非常多。当然，这个短语对第一次见面的情况不适用。
Lucy?
Hey, long time no see.
Susan, a long time no see.
Jesse? Hey. Hey, long time no see.
Hey, Jackson. Long time no see. What's going on?
We sort of have an announcement.
We're getting married.
It was you, wasn't it?
Hello, John. Long time no see.
Hey, sweetie, long time no see.
Mom, you just dropped me off.
Hey, Rooney. Oh, hey, Mike. Long time no see.
Hey, how you doing? Good. Long time no see. Yeah.
Hey, guys.
Hey, long time no see. Have a seat.
What you doing here, Crab?
Long time no see, Mr. Link. Where you been?
Here and there.
下一个问候语是 How have you been？ 由于这个短语用了完成时态，在汉语当中就大体相当于一向可好。
Is this amazing?
How have you been?
Well, I'm divorced.
也可以问 How have you been doing？
So how have you been doing?
Good.
Good.
肯定回答是 Good, Great, Fine 等等。也可以回答 I've been good, I've been great。
How have you been, Roy?
A little down.
Going to see Leonard? Yes. How have you been? Fine. You? Very well, thank you.
You're Monica Geller, aren't you?
Do I know you?
You used to be my babysitter.
Oh my God, little Stevie Fisher? How have you been?
Good, good. I'm a lawyer now.
So how have you been?
I've been pretty good.
How have you been, Jeff?
I've been good. So how you been?
I've been great, just great. How have you been?
Oh, well, obviously, you know, Barbara and I split up. Otherwise, you wouldn't have done the head tilt.
So, how have you been?
Good, good.
Rachel?
Mark? Oh my God! How have you been? I'm fantastic. You remember Ross?
Sure, sure.
否定回答可以是 not good 等等，然后后面要解释一下原因，为什么 not good。
Harry.
How you been?
Not good. I miss you.
当你回答完之后，为了礼貌，也可以问对方相同的问候语 How have you been？ 把这个重音放在 you 上。
So how have you been? Fine. Good. Fine is good.
So, Mary, how have you been?
Oh, thank you so much for asking. I've been well, and you?
Very good.
Good.
下一个问候语是 What have you been up to？ 这个问候语跟上一个几乎是一模一样的，只不过把 how 的形式换成 what， 所以回答也是可以参考，也是一样的。
So, what have you been up to?
Oh, not much. I got a job.
Oh, that's great.
So, what have you been up to?
Oh, you know, the usual. Teaching aerobics, partying way too much.
Good to see you, old friend. What have you been up to?
Oh, things are good. Nothing much. I'm a registered sex offender, but things are good.
Yes, yes.
Hey, Marie.
Hey, sweetie.
I haven't seen you for a while. What have you been up to?
Oh, you know, this and that. Your mom and I need to talk, so thought I'd stop by.
What about my little tie-tie? What have you been up to?
Funny story. Just the other night, this little rascal had a nightmare. Well, it's good to see you again, Lily.
Thanks. So what have you been up to?
I'm going to an amnesia ward with a bunch of photos of my children and a wedding ring.
So what have you been up to? I haven't seen you since you went off to college.
Oh, you know, actually that didn't work out so well. I bounced around for a while.
What have you been up to?
Oh, same old, same old. Did the Times crossword puzzle, found a cure for cancer.
Hey.
Hey, what have you guys been up to?
Oh, we went to a self-defense class today.
Wow.
Yeah.
下面这个短语是大家最熟悉不过的 How are you？ 以及它的变种 How are you doing 和 How are you feeling？ 当然这个就没太有什么可说的，大家主要是学一下下面例子当中的回答，不要再千篇一律的说 Fine, thank you, and you， 千万不要这么说了。
Hey, Mom?
Andrew. Oh, it's wonderful to see you. How are you?
I'm good. I'm really good.
Hey, guys.
Hey, how are you?
Good. Good to see you. Yeah.
Hi.
So, how are you?
Great. How are you?
Fine.
Still engaged.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you, Janet? It's good to see you.
I'm great.
Hey, Darla. How are you doing today?
Hey, Dan.
Lynette Scavo? Oh my God! How long has it been?
Oh, a long time. How are you doing, Natalie?
I'm great. The question is, how are you?
Hi. How are you doing?
I'm okay. I gotta go down to the police station and look at mugshots.
Hello, Susan.
Oh! Hi, Catherine. How are you doing?
Jess.
Sadie.
Hey. Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you? Good to see you again, Nick. Hi.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Samantha.
Reiki, how you doing?
Good. How are you doing?
David Wallace.
Andy Bernard.
Hey, how are you?
How you doing? I'm great. How you doing? Are you still with Thunder Mifflin?
No, got canned last week.
Could you just ask her something?
How are you feeling today?
Fine.
Something personal.
At what age did you first get your period?
下一个问候语是 Hi there， 这个词在非正式场合当中非常常用，尤其是在写邮件的时候，当你不知道对方是男是女，就可以用 there 代替，所以 there 我感觉是这个问候语的精华。当你跟人见面你突然忘了对方的什么职务啊，甚至名字用一个 there 来代替，岂不是非常的完美？
Hi there. What can I get you?
I will have a ginger ale, please.
Hi there. How you doing?
Fine.
Hi there.
Hi.
Hi there. Is your father home?
I think so.
Hi there.
Hello. Welcome to Lavender Day Spa. How may I help you?
Hi there. What's she doing here?
Merry Christmas to you too, Uncle Job.
Hey, hi there, Rita. Hey, Michael. Hi.
Hi there.
Hi.
Yes? Hi there, Mrs. Ortega?
Yes.
Hi there.
Hi.
Well, I'm sorry there wasn't better news from your test last week, but I wanted to talk to you about your options.
And hi there. Can I help you? Well, I hope so. Are you Orson Hodge? Yes, I am. You are.
Hi there.
Hey.
I'll be your server for tonight. My name is Brian if you guys need anything.
Hey, what's up? I wanted to introduce you to Mitchell and Cameron. This is my husband.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, what's up, dude?
How you doing?
Hi there. I'm Samantha Jones.
Caleb McDougall, Samantha. Pleasure.
下一个问候语 Nice to meet you， 大家非常非常熟悉，就不做过多解释了。咱主要看一下这个问候语的适用场景以及它的回答。
I'm Phil, by the way.
I'm Andre. Nice to meet you, Phil.
Nice to meet you, Andre.
It's nice to meet you, Rachel.
Nice to meet you.
Call me.
We will.
Hey, Rudy. This is my wife, Claire.
Hi.
Pleasure.
Nice to meet you.
Wow. Please come on in.
It is such a pleasure to meet you.
Oh, it's really nice to meet you too.
Hey, man, how you doing? Jim Halpert.
Nice to meet you. Eat fresh. Hey, man. Daryl. Hey, man, Ryan. Nice to meet you. Eat fresh.
Pretty lady, and what the hell's she doing with you?
I asked myself that very question, sir. This is Monica. This is my boss, Doug. Doug, this is Monica.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, and this is my wife, Kara.
Nice to meet you, Monica.
Okay.
Dr. Hofstadter, I want you to meet my mother, Mary.
So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. How was your flight?
Very pleasant. And yours?
Lovely. Almost as if someone, not saying who, was watching over the plane.
Thought I heard voices. You must be Chandler.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
最后一个词 Nice to see you 也是一样的情况，咱一块儿看一下例句。
Look who's here.
Whoa. Gretchen.
Hi.
Oh, it's nice to see you.
Wow.
What a nice surprise.
Look at you. You're looking good.
Mr. Wallowitz, Dr. Guptapali.
Mrs. Davis, nice to see you.
Hi, nice to see you guys. We really should go find seats before the movie.
Sit down, please. You remember Rajesh. Rajesh, my mother.
Of course, Mrs. Cooper. So nice to see you again.
Yeah, so nice to see you, too.
It's really nice to see you again, Leonard.
Yeah, it's good to see you too. Here you go.
Thanks.
Baby?
Yes. Hi, Mr. Edelman.
Nice to see you.
Hi, thanks for meeting me.
Nice to see you. So what brings you to New York?
I live here now.
What, really?
Yeah.
That's great.
Hello, Rajesh.
Hello, Amy. Nice to see you.
Hi, nice to see you.
I just came in to pay for my painting.
It's nice to see you, Mrs. Suit.
Nice to see you too, Maz.
Here I am making an effort.
Hello, Amy. It's nice to see you.
Nice to see you, too.